before we have our musical benediction, our spoken one, just an update on Tim. He is back home again. Another infection, more medicine, but he is home again. So thank you very much for your prayers, and thank you especially to the two dogs for taking on this. God works in mysterious ways. I guess he knew I wasn't going to be here today. And for all of you who are here for the band, thank you very much with all of my heart. It's a great blessing for you to be here today, so thank you. The spoken benediction, may the Lord bless thee and keep thee. The Lord make his face shine upon thee, be gracious unto thee. May the Lord lift up his countenance upon thee and give thee peace. And your sung benediction, this is the God we adore. 1041 in your book.